Good morning everyone. Today we learn the possessive form of nouns. Okay, possessive form of nouns, here it is apostrophe. Okay, to know that the apostrophe, we put this one. That is apostrophe. How we use in a apostrophe, where it is used in a apostrophe. We add s after singular noun or name to show who or what something belongs to. We add s, this s, apostrophe s, after where? After singular noun. After singular noun. Apostrophe, first you put the apostrophe and then you write a yes. Okay, here the where we use this one after a singular nouns. Okay, after a singular nouns we use, for example, kins. Kin is a singular. Here it is we use yes. Kins. Okay, then lion. Lion. Here it is we use lions. But okay, then here it is give some so where it is we use only apostrophe after singular. After singular we use apostrophe and yes. Where? After singular. After singular noun. After singular noun we use apostrophe and yes. But after apostrophe only put apostrophe where it is after plural. After plural noun. Okay, we put only apostrophe after plural noun. For example, here we given see girls. Girls is a plural. है ना? So here where we put a apostrophe girls after. But only girl is there. That is singular. You put a where it is put it. You put here and yes, girls. This is a plural. Girls is plural. We put apostrophe after yes. But here it is a girl. We put a apostrophe before yes. Okay, see. I done some examples. Fairies. Here it is given fairies. Okay. The fairies is a plural word. So where we put it? We put after the yes. After yes. Okay. We put this fairies is a plural. So where we put the apostrophe? After the yes. Fairies ka after the yes. Then here it is given princess. 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 Okay. So this one is the plural. Princesses. Where we put it? After the yes. Okay. Then farmers. Farmer is a singular or plural? Singular. See. Where we put that one? Before the yes. We put a apostrophe before the yes. This is a singular. But here it is a see. Farmers. Farmers. This is a plural. So where we put it? After the yes. Okay. See the example. Princess. This one is a plural. This word is a plural. This word is a singular. Here it is a plural. Example, girl. Girl is a singular. है ना? So where we use it? Girls. Before the yes. But here it is a see. Girls. This is plural. So Where we put the apostrophe? Before, after the yes. See, I explain it. This is a fairies is a plural. है ना? Fairies is a plural. Where we put the apostrophe in a plural word, we put a after the yes. In a plural sound, after the yes we put a apostrophe. This also a plural. Princess, plural word. We put a after the yes. And farmer, farmer is a singular word. Where we put the apostrophe? Before the yes. Okay, these are the difference. See the difference? These are the plural words, so we put after the yes. But this is a farmer and a girl is a singular word, so we put a before the yes. Okay, again I explain it. See, boy, this is a singular word. Okay, how, where we put it? Before the yes, apostrophe. But this one is a plural. Where we put it? Apostrophe. Boys, after the yes. Girl, this is a singular word, so we put before the yes. Girls, this is a plural word. Where we put it? After the yes. Clear? These are the apostrophe. Okay, see the page number 17. Circle the suitable word to complete each sentence about the story above. Gina and that little brother is called Tony. Gina and Kims. Okay, Gina and Kims. Oh, one thing is I forget it. This one, last, see the last point. When two nouns are joined using and. Two nouns using and. See, here it is the first one. Here it is given Gina. Gina and. We use and when the two nouns are joined using and. Okay, when the two nouns are joined using Gina and Kim. The second word is Kim. This sentence we use, here it is, we use yes. The second names in a second, and if the thing belongs to both of them, we add yes after the second noun. We add the second noun yes, apostrophe yes. Okay, when we use the two nouns are joined and when we use two nouns, here it is two nouns are join the word and we add the yes, apostrophe yes in a second noun. Clear? See, dog and cats, apostrophe yes. Butter and cheese. Oh, sorry. Okay, these are you using this one. So, say Gina and Kims, apostrophe, no, you write Kims. The second noun is Kims. You add apostrophe yes after the and. Okay, then the twins like to change their dolls. Dolls, here it is a dolls is a plural, so after put the apostrophe. Okay, the girls' toys are lying on the floor. Which one? The girls, the first one. Tony goes to Rose's house to play after school, because Tony is a singular, so you put after the before the yes. And add yes or to the underlined word in each sentence and rewrite the word correctly in the blank. See, Meena and Paras. Okay, the second it is joined two nouns. Okay, so we add s in the second noun. Tina, Meena, and we join two nouns, Meena and Paras. Here it is a two nouns. So what we do it, we add s apostrophe s in a second noun. Okay, we add apostrophe s in a second noun, Paras. And here it is the lions, already given the plural word, so we put after the s, lions. Lions after the yes apostrophe. Next one, both my brothers' wives are doctors. Are you going to Charles' birthday party? The students' bags are on the bench outside the classroom. Okay, these are the possessive nouns. Here I have given this all the notes. Please change it. Practice it. Page number 18C. Add s or apostrophe to show belonging to, or rewrite each sentence in the blank below. The clothes belong to the actresses were burned in the fire. How you write it? The actresses' clothes were burned in the fire. Okay. Do you know the house belonged to the Sahinis? Yeah. Do you know the Sahinis' house? That is the pet dog of Mark and Jim. Okay, that is the Mark and Jim's pet dog. The singing of the birds woke up me up early this morning. The birds singing woke up me up early this morning. Maya looked for her missing book in the room belonged to Carlos. Maya looked for her missing book in Carlos' room. Okay, see this one. The fairies wands have magical powers. The men's car broke down on the highways. The princess' crowns are made of gold. The children's hats are highly colored. A severe storm destroyed the farmers' crops. Okay, you complete this exercise. Okay, bye.